whispers the universe is changed, each breath arranged within its range, except the woven pattern hold, for nothing can injure a disciplined soul. Be greater than the noise outside, for the impediment becomes the stride. Receive wealth or loss without pride, let virtue alone be your guide. Remember, you could leave life now, so act with purpose in every vow. Cling not to what you can't command, only your judgment is in your hand. Be greater than the noise outside, for the impediment becomes the stride. Receive wealth or loss without pride, let virtue alone be your guide.